After 4 clicks.
अखियों के नीले शीश महल में
सोनिए नहीं सोनिए,
बैजा नहीं बैजा 2 दिन जीना है 1 दिन रह जा
can you go a little higher?
तेरे बिना जीना भी क्या
Fantastic. Good one, no?
This is something I've never ever come across.
मौसम में खोली मिंट की गली मेरी खुशबू की बा कन्नी से काटे मांझ की डोरी काटेगी तू भी बा
औना पौना ही सही, दिल का कोना ही सही. And don't do कोना, दिल का कोना.
औना पौना ही सही दिल का कोना ही सही ओ लौटा दे मेरा टिकट टू हॉलीवुड टिकट टू हॉलीवुड अरे टिकट टू हॉलीवुड टिकट टू हॉलीवुड अरे टिकट टू हॉलीवुड
Yeah, ball check.
टिकट टू हॉलीवुड अरे टिकट टू हॉलीवुड टिकट टू हॉलीवुड अरे टिकट टू हॉलीवुड
So it's a really cute song, and I had to do a lot of nakhras and have a lot of fun with it. And I was really excited because it took Abhishek Bachchan 7 days to woo me over to get me to return his ticket. I know any girl would die for that. When I hear Vaibhavi is going to be on set, I know just what to expect. I think she's definitely by far one of the best choreographers that we have within the industry today.
Ticket to Hollywood, and a ticket to Hollywood. Ticket to Hollywood, and a ticket to Hollywood.
These dancers have looked so flawless, and you know, for them to be going desi and them rehearsing these desi steps, it was quite unique because you know it's a very thin line between making it look caricaturish and making it look authentically cracked.
And a ticket to Hollywood.
The only person who gave me a lot of grief was Abhishek for sure because he never rehearses. But luckily this time he rehearsed only for a bit.
Hot day.
What do you mean?
Beachari heroine ready hai.
How can you behave like this with me?
Abhishek cracking up completely and doing some mad stuff. I was quite tensed, I think, the first day when I'd come because I got to know that they had not rehearsed. And I panicked. I was like, but Lara had rehearsed and Abhishek had not rehearsed at all. और मुझे लगा कि अब ये क्यों ऐसे कर रहा है, you know, I was like, I wanted to be after him every time that he did his, you know, shots. I didn't realize because I was already so upset about the fact that he had not rehearsed. So I think मेरा दिमाग वहाँ अटक गया था. मैंने उनको तब तक नहीं बोला था कि उन्होंने अच्छा काम किया जब तक मैंने एडिट करके गाना देखा नहीं. और जब मैंने एडिट करके गाना देखा, I had to go hug him very tight. I must let him know that Abhishek, you've done a brilliant job in the song.
मौसम में खोली मिंट की गली मेरी खुशबू की बा कन्नी से काटे मांझ की डोरी काटेगी तू भी बा औना पौना ही सही दिल का कोना ही सही ओ लौटा दे मेरा टिकट टू हॉलीवुड टिकट टू हॉलीवुड अरे टिकट टू हॉलीवुड.
I love her because she's always firing me, she's always pushing me to work harder, and I enjoy that. That could be partially why I'm more relaxed in front of her. She's always complaining I don't rehearse, which I don't with her because I have somewhere, it's wrong, it's a complacent attitude, but I have the confidence that she's there and she's not going to okay the shot until I get it right.
Ticket to Hollywood, and a ticket to Hollywood.
He's all heart, Shad. I think when there is a chemistry between the director and his actor, it always comes through. The camera is too sharp, it catches everything.
Ticket to Hollywood, and a ticket to Hollywood.